Good morning. Today we'll be looking into a MacBook Pro 2015 that has a trackpad issue. After due consultation and testing of all the trackpad, we discovered that the trackpad is not responding. And looking at it from the schematic diagram, you can come over to see it from the schematic diagram, from the board view. From the board view, this is the trackpad sensor. This is the trackpad sensor. From the trackpad sensor, this is the trackpad connector. This trackpad connector, once after due checking, we discovered that SM bus is present. SM bus is present, SMC is present, PP3V3 is present, but we are having a minus on PP5 volt, which is pin 25, and pin 25 is being controlled. Pin 25 is being controlled by let me just minimize. Pin 25 is being controlled by U8060, and U8060 ought to be giving out 5 volts. This is P1 taking in 5 volts, P1 taking in 5 volts, and P1 gives pin 6 is the output, which drops 5 volts to the L4803. And L4803, this kind of a fuse, a transistor. It also transmits the 5 volts out to the trackpad. So after we checked on this and we changed this with this this is the donor board. This is the donor board. This is the donor board we used to do that. This is the IC. This is the IC that was replaced. So after this was replaced, fixed it in on this motherboard, and we have a positive answer. We have a positive answer. Okay, we are up. Okay, as you can see, the trackpad is working. The trackpad is working. So I urge every technician to first of all make a proper diagnosis on your repairs before you can be able to conclude if it is a trackpad or the connector is faulty. So with this board, with this view board diagram, I was able to identify that the voltage entering the trackpad is incomplete. The system has to have 3 volts, 5 volts, and 2.2 volts, and which after due consultation, pin 27, not pin 25. Pin 25 was discovered that it's not receiving the normal 5 volts, and after changing, we have a positive answer. I believe that with this little video, issues on trackpad on 820 4925 will be corrected. That's a 2015 MacBook Pro. On any issue concerning that, you can be able to, with the board diagram, can diagnose and solve the problem without going through other places by condemning the board. Thank you very much for watching our channels. Keep subscribing to our YouTube channels for more videos. Thank you.